3 also. Today, let's start with unit number 5, the fundamental analysis.
Wait. Aryamas.
Oh, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Okay, today we start unit number 5, fundamental analysis, part A, economical analysis after industrial analysis and company analysis, which are basically in fundamental analysis, which are related with the economic, industry and company. After that, we can make a technical analysis, behavioral, financial, um, mails, and valuation of share and businesses, the fixed income security valuation, portfolio management analysis selected in revision and evaluation, the theories of portfolio management and derivatives in industrial and tax planning, and last, mutual fund and insurance commodities. So let's we start with unit number 5 on page number 81. One sec. In economic analysis, part A, the fundamental analysis, the investment analysis decision to base on two major analysis in fundamental analysis and technological analysis. In both these opportunities side in specify with the common object of investment decision. The fundamental analysis is used to evaluate the securities of the instinct value of the study, the economic industry and the company's position. Technical analysis is more concerned with a study of past price, volume and other statistical mean of credits graph and other tool of identify the stock pattern and trade attending to the finding the stock behavioral in future. So this economic analysis, fundamental analysis, they given various factors in technical analysis also. So the two major point in fundamental analysis, one is fundamental analysis and second is technical analysis. So the fundamental analysis maintain the market may misprice a security in the short run, but then the convert price will evaluate by reaching the profit can be made for purchasing the misprice of the securities, and then waiting for the market to recognize a mistake and reprice the security. The technical analysts maintain that all information is reflected already in the price of security. Technical analysis trade in behavior and sentiment charges, predated and um, predate trade changes. So the investor economical response to price motivated lead to the recognized price chart pattern technical analysis, also the analysis historical trend to the predict future price movement. So this is the fundamental analysis. After that, the financial markets. The fundamental analysis, although used to most analyzed the value of stock, it can be use valuation of many type of securities. For example, the investor can, while performing the fundamental analysis on the bond value, looking the economic factors such as interest rate and overall state of economy, can also look a performance about a body insure, such as potential charges of rating, the stock of equity instrument, the method use of revenue, earning, future growth, and return of equity, the profit margin of other data determine the company's understanding, the value and portion for the future growth. In this term, the stock fundamental analysis focus on the valuation statement of company being evaluated in a um, nutshell of the fundamental analysis attempt to predict the instant value of investment. This is the base on which theory that the market price of an state typically trend in a gravitational towards a real value and instinct value. So the fundamental markets are depend on a financial markets, and financial analysis is in accounting the finance. It analyzes to the business financial statement in analysis the business asset liability and earning health in yeah, in company's market. The fundamental analysis to perform a historical and present data, but with the goal of making financial forecast. There are a several possible objectives. So these objectives are given below in your book, so you just read it carefully. After that, one important term is here for instinct value is lower when the market price than buy, and instinct value is higher when market price to sell. So this instinct value of the share is determined the base of upon a three analysis. This value is considered as a true value of the share. If the instinct value is higher than the market price, it recommended the buy the share. If the equal to market price, it is recommended to hold a share. And if then the market price is, one should sell a share. So these are the fundamental views of such market price. After that, they given application and economic analysis, technical and company analysis. So these overview of such economical analysis. Economical indicates the a capital currency in vital sign. After that, the economic analysis, the different economic factors which are affecting to the investment decision in terms of a risk and return broadly include the money supply, employment, inflation. The list is given below in your book, which is covered all the factors which related to economic analysis. The fiscal policy, economic policy are also influence on analysis. The money supply and money related matters which are covered in here. Inflation, you just know that the inflation means the money of every commodity is higher pricing, and deflation means the money price of every factor is lower. No. So the inflation and deflation are the vice versa point which are covered in financing analysis. In a GDP, it is also influence of financial analysis uh, can create a vital role. After that, they given the why fundamental economic analysis is taking place in our financial institutions. So the important points like anticipation of survey, bureau uh, barometric approach. After that, composite issues, money and stock pricing, economic model and building opportunities of modern building. So these are the important points are covered in economic analysis. They given key terms in your book, which is very important in your MCQ examination, like fundamental analysis, leading indicators, leading indicators. GDP means gross domestic product. Balance of payment means BOP. um, After they give us it twice in GDP. So you just read it carefully. A difference in index and economics. So these are the also they given a multi choice question. Also you just go through it. This is a very good exercise for us. After that, the theoretical question also here. You if you are make easy way to find out such a factor in theoretical questions. After that, unit number 6, industrial analysis, is also the base. First base is economic analysis. After that, the industrial analysis is uh, in a way. So the industrial analysis done and assess the product prospects a various industrial growth. It is give us a idea to which industry will be um, prosper and with the industry will suffer in terms of growth. Industrial analysis provide the instant into the key sector of economic influence in a particular industry or a growth industry and a relative strength of weaknesses of industry and growth industry based on a setup assumption. So these are the cover point in this. The concept of industry is like food, textile, beverage, tobacco, uh, wood, rubber, transport, and this many more like chemicals and all steel. So why industrial analysis? Although the overall economy has go in own cycle upon a down, up to down, all industry in the economic need to necessarily move in a trend with the economy. Some industries leg the economy, and some might be lead. So at the time of performance the different industry variance, hence the we can industrial analysis different industries has got different risk and return and characteristic during the particular time of period. The stage of the industry can also be different. Some might be mature, while industries might be a growth stage of development. In a particular industry also different companies vary in performance stage and development. So hence the analysis to might be opportunity to make a buy and sell recommendation base of industry. So this industrial analysis are take place. They given one process. After that they given life cycle like preliminary and introductory stage. After that growth stage, stability and decline stage. So like king cur in your economy. This is a terms which are covered here. They given cycle also. Industrial analysis and industrial cycle growth indicates and cycle indicates. uh, and after that they given multi choice question. Unit number 7, company analysis. After the industrial analysis, the company analysis also one important factor. In this factor, we need of significant of industrial company analysis and company analysis structure and framework. Afterwards, study of financial statistics and financial analysis techniques, estimated instinct value, and EVA means economic value added, and the summary. The whole criteria in this unit also based on company, and what are the features of covered in this analysis are uh, given here. So the business trends, management trends, financial trend, market trends, and fundamental analysis, which are the part of this. Why industrial analysis? Why? Because the financial analysis and non-financial analysis, the both our companies are the relevance with own unique and way to balance should be achieved in between the both companies. And non-financial and quantitative analysis the does not evaluate the quantitative information about a company which available for other sources such as report, prospectus, and other economic financial reports. In such studies, important non-financial aspects such as do affect the investment choice of investing the company. The evaluation of the list and quantitative factor in given below. The list is given here. The organization structure, product range, history, company's market share, industrial reliance, government policies, industrial life cycle, business life cycle, investment in environmental protection, trade union, and last statutory control. So these are the important chapters in this company analysis. The application of company analysis means study of financial statement. These statements, like the all balance sheet, profit and loss account, which are the part of it. After that, the industrial life cycle is given here. The financial analysis, trend analysis, common statement, fund flow statement, cash flow statement, ratio analysis. These all are covered in statistical analysis, which are calculate of company's growth and what are the stage of this company. That ratio analysis is covered all factors like credit, current liability in current asset, what are the ratios, 1:1, which covered all factors which know the exact position of company, and up to for that the investor can invest such reliable company on that. So this ratio analysis is also a very important factor in the company analysis. Important financial ratios, and they given various ratio, right, list is given here. You just read it. After that, liquidity ratio and profitability ratios, debt ratios, they covered all the segments of company, and they given various ratios and flows. uh, these are very important factor. and formula is also given here. uh, with that you can calculate such estimated ratios also in a past exam. After that they given summary and multi choice question. After unit number 8, technical analysis. Technical analysis is a analysis of share price and trends, volume, and use to the product. One sec, I just come. One sec. Most technical trend in incorporate a various technical indicates such as moving average. It is add in a prediction of the future short-term movements, but this trend never full realize the ability those tools was identify the level of support and resistance. The moving average is the uh, concern changing the line that smooth other part price data while using allow the trade of identify support of resistance. Notice how the price and asset finds support at a moving average when the trend is up, and how it act as a realize when trend is down. So this is a very important factor in moving average. After that, they given relative